the ultimate guide to C# design patterns in Unity. My name is Andreas Metz, and I've been teaching programming for games for more than 5 years now. Also, I'm a firm believer in the power of exercise, which is why I follow a very practical and project-based approach in my course. We're going to explore some of the design patterns that are heavily used by big titles like StarCraft 2, Subway Surfers, or Into the Breach. Now, after this course, you'll be able to improve the data structure of your course by using scriptable objects. Also, you'll be able to create a history of actions, which you can even undo. That's especially useful in RTS games or turn-based games. But most importantly, you're going to be able to improve the performance of your games quite a bit. We'll be examining these concepts by creating 3 small games: a third-person shooter, a turn-based game, and an endless runner. So, if you've got the feeling that there are just too few good courses that teach programming beyond the absolute beginner stuff, then you now have the chance to do something about it by joining me in this course. I'll be happy to see you inside of it.